In this video, we're actually going to be putting your fingers inside your nose. So if you've got dirty hands, I recommend before you do this, go and wash them. And also, if you have really long nails, this might be a bit of a hindrance for you. The reason we're working in here is we want to have symmetry for the nostrils. The air coming in through the right side feeds the left side of the body and the right side of the brain, and vice versa. And nobody has perfectly symmetrical nostrils. I had nosebleeds when I was a kid every day for years, only on the left side. So I really created an asymmetrical face and breathing pattern because of that. So I'm still working to bring symmetry back in, but it's that constant work that really adds up and makes a difference. And the key is that we're oxygenating every cell the same so we can make sure they're nice and plump, just like a blown up balloon. That's how we want our cells to look, not wrinkled where they attract dirt and debris, but glowing and almost defying gravity. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our index fingers and we're simply going to place them inside the nose. I'm going to look a little funny here. And right at the base of the nostril, just start pressing down. And unless you can't, breathe in and out through the nose, exhaling for longer than you inhale. And just become aware if you feel that one side is denser than the other. Now, you may notice under the fingertips that it almost feels like the tissue is starting to give way. That is those adhesions melting. So, as you continue with this, add in a little bit of an outward pull, drawing the index fingers away from each other. So the pressure is down and out. And put a little bit of a smile on your lips so you're not pulling your face down toward the floor. And even notice as you're breathing if you can feel the air coming in through the nostrils as well as out through the nostrils. Notice if you feel that one side has a greater ease of flow. If that's the case, let's say your right side has an easier flow. Let's see if we can take that left index finger even further away, or vice versa if you notice the left side has an ease of flow that's greater than the right. Spend one more minute here. And three more slow exhales. And when you're ready, just slowly take your fingers out of your nose So this is something that you can do every day, again, to bring that symmetry. In our actual course, we spend probably 40 minutes working inside the nose in a whole bunch of different areas. If you notice your nose is twisted or has become a little bit thick, or the nostrils are sitting up higher, that's all those adhesions. The changes I have seen in the before and after pictures of people that have done my program, truly phenomenal. The nose becomes more slender. Again, the nostrils become more symmetrical, and most importantly, that supports proper cellular function.